Is it just a beauty trend? Or could Brazilian waxing actually give athletes a competitive edge? Stick around. You might be surprised by what science and performance coaches are saying. When most people think of Brazilian waxing, they picture salons, smooth skin, and personal grooming. But in the world of sports, this practice is gaining attention for more than just aesthetics. Many still believe waxing is only for beauty or hygiene. However, athletes across the globe, from triathletes to martial artists, are exploring its surprising physical and psychological benefits. Let's talk physics. Smooth skin means less friction. And in high-speed sports like cycling, swimming, or sprinting, every microsecond counts. Reduced body hair can minimize drag, improve aerodynamics, and help athletes perform just a bit faster. For runners and cyclists, that reduced resistance can translate to better endurance. Plus, there's the bonus of less chafing. No more skin irritation from repeated motion, tight gear, or sweat buildup. Comfort equals focus. When your body feels good, your mind can stay in the zone. Brazilian waxing can reduce irritation from gear like compression shorts, swimsuits, and cycling bibs. For many, this also boosts confidence, looking good, feeling good, and staying mentally sharp during intense competition. If you're considering Brazilian waxing, quality matters. Always choose a certified professional with experience in working with athletes. Proper aftercare is essential. This includes avoiding tight clothing post-treatment, using soothing creams, and keeping the area clean to avoid irritation. And yes, while some worry about pain or safety, modern techniques and expert care can make the process much smoother. No pun intended. Brazilian waxing isn't just a cosmetic choice. It can be a strategic tool for serious athletes. From reducing drag to increasing comfort, it's a hidden performance hack that's gaining ground in the sports world. If you're looking for every possible edge, why not explore this option? Research, talk to professionals, and see if it fits your training routine.